YouTube? What's up, Team 151? Back at the forest today. I came back here because I had so much luck and you guys loved the nature video, so I'm back in the same exact spot. With me today, I got a 3-pack blister pack with the promo Black Curum XY Evolutions. Okay, I brought some sleeves just in case I pull anything cool. We got 1 Celestial Storm, we got 2 Lost Thunders, 2 Team Up, and 3 Burning Shadow blistered booster packs, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. It's super hot, it's a nice, beautiful, sunny day. I mean, look around, you know, it's all green out here. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the good luck hat. Let's take these off real quick. Put my hair down because it is for ladies. Okay, we're gonna throw on the hat of luckiness. Okay. All right, there we go. How do I look? Okay, so now that we got that taken care of, and throw back on the linen shades, get groovy real quick. I think for the first pack that we shall open, it's gonna be these Team Up. So let's get into the Team Up. And without further ado, let's see what we get. Let's hope for some more hyper rares, some full arts, you know, rainbow rares, anything really. See what we can pull. Okay, we got the Snorlax Eevee artwork right here. Just to let you know, there are bugs on bugs out here, so if you see me smacking myself, I'm not mad. It's just there are mosquitoes trying to take my blood. I promise. And I actually brought sleeves, and I brought a little tin to put the cards in just in case. So we got a white and green code out of the first Team Up. There y'all go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna have to do that little kangaroo pouch type thing. Try to sit back on this log. Okay, so we got Water Energy, Ammonite, Tauros, Lavender Town. It's not really doing a good job of staying there, is it? Vulpix, Pancham, Squirtle, Parakeys, Voltorb, Reverse Holo Kabuto, and we got a holographic Yveltal. Not too bad. Was expecting a little something different from the white and green, but that's all good. That is a hit. We'll just go ahead and throw him right there, and I'm going to sleeve him afterwards. Not necessarily a sleevable pull to me at the moment, but that's all good. We'll move on from Team Up. I think we'll switch it up. We'll go to this Tapu Lele Burning Shadows. See what we can pull. Man, I really want the hyper rare Charizard. Like, that is my most wanted card, I think, of all time. Ever since I was a kid and I've seen the base set Charizard, which I have now. It's not the Shadowless, but it is the holographic base set. So, I mean, I got that card. That was my most wanted card from a child. And I actually, when I was a kid, I ordered one online off eBay, and when I got it in the mail, it was a computer paper sized printout of the card. It wasn't even the actual card, so it was kind of ridiculous. Okay, we got a green code, just like always from Burning Shadows, because it hates me for some reason. There's that for you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got a Fairy Energy, Wishful Baton, Mount Lanakila, Wick or Wiki, Mudbray, Stuffle, Noibat. We got a sock that doesn't look like a sock at all. Esper, Reverse Holo Charmeleon, that's actually super sick. And a non-holographic Passimian fighting Lucario. I think we pulled that in the last video here too. It's pretty crazy. Okay, so now we still got Lost Thunder, Celestial Storm, Team Up, Burning Shadows. I think we're gonna go on to the Blacephalon, or I forget how to say the name of this Pokemon. I think it's Blacephalon or something like that. And we'll see what we get. And thank you all for freaking all the support, all the love, all the kind words on Instagram and YouTube. It means so much to me. I know I continue to say that, and I will continue to say that because it continues to mean a lot to me. It really makes me happy. It motivates me to continue with all this content and just to keep bringing you guys the best possible content. every video I upload, I try to make it better and better and better, and I spend hours on end every night editing thumbnails and pictures and the videos and just trying to make it just good, just because I just enjoy it. So it's pure pleasure for me. White and green. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's see what we can get. We got a water energy. I don't know if the lighting's a little weird. Let me scoot over a little. Got water energy, Whitney, Shuckle, Spell Tag, Pachirisu, Poplio, Spinarak. There's a bunch of Spinaraks out here today, I'll tell you that. Nincada, Blitzel, Reverse Holo Heracross, and an Ultra Beast holographic rare Naganadel. That is pretty nice. Holographic is shiny. Super nice. Okay. There, and I think now we'll save the blister pack for close to the end. So we got 1 Celestial Storm, 1 Lost Thunder, 1 Team Up, 2 Burning Shadows. Let's get into a Burning Shadows. Looks like we got some people coming up on us, but it's all good. Okay. We got a Necrozma artwork right here. Let's see what we can pull. Oh man, another green code. It's all good, it's all good. There y'all go, let me know what you pull. Okay. Just running out of room over here. Jeez, 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. We got a Fighting Energy, Noctowl, Dusclops, Metapod, sick Magikarp flying in the air somehow. Fish can fly, apparently. Got a Panseer, Krogunk, Togedemaru, Wimpod, Reverse Holo Sandygas, and a non-holographic Scolipede. Got some crazies over here. Going down. Okay, so let me clear some of this out of the way. It's like so much going on, oh my goodness. Throw those down there. And I guess we'll get that out of the way too. What is going on? Somebody is doing something. I think we'll go into the team up. Let's hope for a GX of some sort. This forest is the known kick-it spot for a lot of kids trying to hide from, you know, public to do whatever they want to do. But I bring the Pokemon here to bring in a little bit of innocence, you know? Try to brighten the place up. I don't care. Okay, we got another green code out of the team up. There you go. Y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. We got a Dark Energy, Unidentified Fossil, Rapidash, Evelyn, Emolga, Staryu, Poochyena, Alolan Geodude, Paris, ooh, nice, a Prism Star Shaman, and a non-holographic Muck. Out of a green code, we get a Prism Star holographic Shaman. It sounds like there's some Pokemon in the background out here. I don't know what they're doing. I say, let's go into this last ender. For some magic. Here we go. Please. Okay, we got the Zeraora on the artwork. Not too shabby. Man, it's getting hot. This hat got me sweating. Shoot. Okay. There y'all go. Another green. Oh my god, I gotta take this off. I am like sweating like insanely right now. Oh my goodness. It's supposed to be like near 100 today. Let's go. Got a Psychic Energy, Heracross, Pinsir, Memory Energy, Eevee, Hoppip. Got a Pick-a-Peck, Durant, Kevin Durant, Cubchoo, Reverse Holo Kirlia, and a non-holographic Raikou. still no pulls out of all of these. This is wild. This is a long streak. I mean, after all the pulls I've been getting, it's all good, but like, it's crazy. I'm surprised we haven't got nothing yet. I had a feeling. Okay. We got the Tapu Lele out of the Ho-Oh blistered pack. Jeez, these packs are getting harder and harder to open. Especially these Burning Shadows. I have a lot of trouble. Like, it's like the glue on these are like extra gluey. If that makes any sense. Jeez. Come on now. Man, Burning Shadows. Always green codes. That's so disappointing, man. Come on now. Okay. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Got a Leaf Energy. Escape Rope, which is like horrible. Wow, that is just horrible centering. A Bouffalant. Electric. Pansage. Pampor. Porygon. Alolan Rattata. Charmander, Reverse Holo Turtonator, non-holographic Toxicroak. Didn't expect anything out of that one, it's all good. We got the single Celestial Storm right here. Let's hope for some pack magic. This is the last pack besides the blister pack, so I mean, we'll crack into that next. Ooh, got a butterfly flying by. That's crazy. Okay, Jirachi, let's hope for something good. Let's go. We could use it. We haven't got nothing good out of this one yet. Okay, let's hope for a white and green. Can it be? Ah, it's a solid. It is a solid. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got Fire Energy, Oricorio, Swalot. We got a Switch with the Torchic and Geodude. That's a super cool artwork. Alolan Rattata. Voltorb, oh man. Come on. Trico, Gulpin, got a Whismur. Ooh, nice reverse holographic Rainbow Energy and a non-holographic Swampert. But that one, that is very, very nice. That is cool. Is cool. So out of all those packs, we really got nothing. Like, not even a GX or hardly any holos. I mean, that's pretty crazy, honestly. Good thing I brought this. Still got some hope. Still got some hope. I feel like these always do this. That's the worst. Seriously, that is the worst. Okay. These packs are truly beautiful. So I'm just gonna leave the promo in there, the Black Kyurem. It's chilling in there, leave the coin in there as well. Just to let it be safe right there. No need to pull it out. Got the Venusaur, the Blastoise, and the Raichu. Okay, I say we get into Venusaur first. Set these guys right there. Okay. Hope for some magic on these packs. We could definitely use it. And this is gonna be a nostalgia throwback right here for sure, just because you already know how the cards look on this set. Super nice. We got a white and green finally. There y'all go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, because this is XY. I almost forgot. Oh, nice. We got a double colorless energy. Nidorino, sorry. Energy retrieval. Got a Seal. Nidoran. Ponyta. Doduo. Sick. A Pikachu. Ooh, very nice. Reverse Holo Growlithe. Hey, there we go. Out of the Venusaur, I can't even talk, it's so hot. Venusaur pack art, we get the Venusaur EX. That is beautiful with the gold edges, everything. Wow. We got some people paddleboarding by, that's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna throw this right here, and then let me just grab one of the sleeves. That is nice. Very nice. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Cool. Very nice. Okay, on to the next one. We got, let's see, we'll do Blastoise for the next one. We'll save Raichu for the last. Okay. Man, it looks hotter than you already know. Nice, 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 nice. Another white and green. There you go. Okay. Got 1, 2, 3. Right to the front. Okay. Nice. We got a Kakuna. I love the way these look. Charizard Spirit Link. Double colorless energy again. Got a Sandshrew, Weedle, Tangela, Ponyta. Okay, if I can make these stay. Jeez, they just want to fall for some reason. It's like, it's not even pointing down. I don't understand. Doduo. Nice. Well, not reverse holo, but just full holo energy. Ooh, look at that. Holographic Nidoking. Wow. Look at the holographic on that. That is nice. Grab a sleeve for that one, definitely. Okay. And for our last pack, look at that though. Our last pack, we got one more Evolutions, and that is the Raichu pack art. Last pack magic, let's go. Please. Can I be blessed again? Let us hope so. Got Staryu. Ah, man. Solid green to end it off. It's all good. There y'all go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we got, now we got the Venusaur Spirit Link, Charmeleon, Super Potion, Staryu. Jeez, they just want to fall. Onyx, Weedle, Machop, Tangela, Reverse Holo Foul. Oh, I was reading his reading his move. About to say Reverse Holo Foul Gas. That's his name. That's a bad move. Coughing. And for the last one is a non-holographic Starmie. So that's not too bad. Our 3 pulls are actually, and I should have sleeved this up earlier. This actually came out of a green code, so that's pretty crazy. The Shaman Prism Star, not too shabby. We got a Nidoking holographic and the Venusaur, and these 2 hits were actually just out of that one blister pack, so that's not too bad at all. Not too bad. Out of all those packs, though, I really can't believe that we didn't get nothing. That's pretty crazy. It makes me wonder, though, I must have had some goodness sitting at home on my shelf, because I still have a lot of sealed packs, but I just picked through and got the ones I wanted. But anyways, thanks y'all for the support, for the likes, the comments, the shares, everybody that's showing me love. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe again if you already haven't. Go join my giveaway, you already know, on Instagram, just Johto Kanto Trainer. And until next time, Team 151, stay up. Peace out.